welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 124. Yes, I had to look because I totally couldn't remember. 124 of our 365-day daily devotionals. This daily devotional is called Jesus Calling. It is by Sarah Young, and guys, it is amazing how this book works. I'm telling you, it will get your attention, it will get you thinking, and hopefully bring you closer to the Lord. So if you would like to check out any of the previous episodes, I do have a playlist in the description box, and I guess that's it. So let's jump right in. Okay, so before we get started, I thought I would address something real quick. So my hair is a little different. You guys know I'm constantly doing something with my hair, which is probably not a good thing. That's why it's fried, but that's totally besides the point. I did bleach my hair. As you can see, like at the top, it's a little more like strawberry blonde, I guess you would call it, than what I'm used to, what I normally do, but I like it. I think it's cute. I do like it. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. I know you guys will. But I'm headed on a girls trip to Florida in a couple days, and I just thought I would do something a little different. So anyways, I hope that y'all like it. So let's get started on number 124. Oh, something else I was going to tell y'all before we got started. So today, later today, my daughter and I are going over to the new house, and we are actually going to write Bible verses across the headers of each doorway. How cute is that? Like, I love that idea. The guy that's building our house told me that he was remodeling a house one time, and that the owners, like previous owners, had done that. Had actually wrote Bible verses and scriptures and like just different stuff on the wood. So when they remodeled the house and tore all the sheetrock and stuff like that out, they could see all this. And he said it was just super neat. So anyways, I just thought it was a neat idea. I think it is so stinking cute. Let me know what you guys think about it. Apparently it's kind of common, like lots of people do it. But anyways, I just thought it was a cute idea. Not only that, it just, I feel like it blesses the house, for heaven's sakes. Like, the Lord is the only reason that we're being able to build a house right now. So I should show that appreciation. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like that's showing gratefulness. Just by acknowledging that it's really God's house. It's really His. He's giving it to us. You know what I mean? So anyways, I just thought that was a cute idea. And I thought that you guys might be interested in knowing that we were doing that later. I think actually I might film some of it and do an update video in a week or so, and then I'll show you guys. I'll let y'all see what we did. All right, let's get started on the devotional. Sorry, I had a lot to talk about today. All right. Okay. You cannot serve two masters. If I am truly your master, you will desire to please me above all others. If pleasing people is your goal, you will be enslaved to them. People can be harsh taskmasters when you give them this power over you. If I am the master of your life, I will also be your first love. Your serving me is rooted and grounded in my vast, unconditional love for you. The lower you bow down before me, the higher I lift you up into intimate relationship with me. The joy of living in my presence outshines all other pleasures. I want you to reflect my joyous light by living in increasing intimacy with me. Very good. You cannot serve two masters. Says, if pleasing people is your goal, you will be enslaved to them. People can be harsh taskmasters when you give them this power over you. Are you a people pleaser? I'm a people pleaser. I am. I know I am. That's not a good thing. Because people take advantage of that, you know? I need to work on that. Because I know that I do that. I'm a people pleaser. I just like for everybody to be happy and content and you know, feel good about themselves. So I guess I am a people pleaser, but I never really had thought about it like that. We need to please God above all others. We need to be pleasing God first. And then He can use us to bless others. Yeah. All right, let's do. Oh, let me give you the verses. I like to do that. That way you guys have them. You can go back and check them out in your Bible if you'd like to. Or just see how the Lord uses them throughout your day. No one can serve two masters. Either he will hate the one and love the other. He will be devoted to the one and despise the other. You cannot serve both God and money. Matthew 6:24. Yet I hold this against you. You have forsaken your first love. Revelations 2:4. Oh, this next one's a good one too. I pray that out of His glorious riches He may strengthen you with the power through His Spirit in your inner being, so that Christ may dwell in your hearts through faith. And I pray that you, being rooted and established in love. Ephesians 3:16 and 17. You have made known to me the path of life. You will fill me with joy in your presence, with eternal pleasures at your right hand. Psalms 16:11. It's very good. I really have not ever thought about it like that. You got to please God first. And you know, the more you do things that please God or that are, you know, pleasing in the eyes of the Lord, the better you're going to feel about yourself, about your life. It just kind of goes hand in hand. Yeah. All right, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please, please, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. Thank you all so much for being with me. Truly, thank y'all. I appreciate you guys so much for doing this devotional with me. You just have no idea how much it means to me for y'all to be with me every day with this. And the ones of you that have been with me from the beginning and have continued to do this, I applaud you. Because it's not easy to stay consistent with something like this. So I just think it's amazing. I love it, and I love you all. And I thank y'all so much. Truly, I do. All right, guys. Thank you again. And y'all have a blessed day.